Guys, to be honest, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to address this to you. But now I understand why men keeps on committing suicide, because I feel like there's no one who's interested in knowing the men's side. When I mean, like, whatever that happens, I guess everyone will just say only this. But I understand, guys. It's fine. Like, I'm not gonna be talking a lot. I don't wanna be dramatic. I'm just gonna be going direct to the story. Guys, I know a lot of you are thinking that I'm doing a prank telling you that I broke up with Karen. Guys, that's not a prank. That's a real situation there. It's happening. So guys, when I started dating Karen, I loved her so much, and I was coming from a heartbreak. I even mentioned that I got cheated from last relationship, and everyone puts a blame on me, and without enough evidence that you were being cheated on. And if you're a content creator, right, you come on social media with your relationship, and then it ends, you change another girl, it ends, you change another girl, it ends. People, they'll end up thinking that I want the problem. So that's the same situation. That's the same situation that happened when I was dating Karen. I've been meeting wrong people, guys. I've been meeting bad people, and I told myself that no, I don't care. I wanna get the right person. But it got to a point where I was tired of moving on. I didn't want to move on anymore. That's when I met Karen. And I was like, whatever happens, I think all girls, they cheat, bro. Like, I just accepted that the fact that all girls cheat, bro. Started dating Karen, everything was fine. Introduced her to you. You guys, you like the acting soft on camera, but guys, we know what happens behind the scene. We are content creators, right? But after creating content, there's a lot that happens behind the scene that you all don't know. I started posting here, and I started noticing red flags as soon as possible. I couldn't leave this relationship because you guys, you talk too much. You talk shit about me. You say praise in the problem. You're using whatever and stuff. But I couldn't say anything. But I started seeing red flags on Karen. But I loved her. She was so soft. And those ones in Bwanyoro ndizo tsenga za mato. Those ones vanoyasa makwai, but moyo ari mapere. Guys, if I tell you with that girl, anovora umbe, no one will believe it. But anyways, this video is not to make Karen look so bad. And yes, there are some things that I've done to her, and I can't say they are deep things, but I think I'm gonna explain the causes, and you know what I mean, not to say the causes and stuff. So what I was saying is, after doing the research, and after seeing the red flags and stuff, I started being a private investigator in her life. I started looking if she's the one. But guys, those ones are Wachaga Makudongo. Guys, before I tell you what I found out, I just want to say this message to Karen. Karen, I was seeing future with you. I loved you from the very first day that I came to your inbox. I wanted to pay Lobola to you. Guys, the fun fact is, when I met Karen, I think you guys have been giving us a lot of pressure to marry each other, because it's been only 6 months, like, if I'm not mistaken, ever since I started dating. It's like half a year now. We haven't even reached a year. By that time, I had some few cash, you know what I mean? And I said, I'm going to marry Karen February. Told myself that I'm going to marry Karen around February, March. But it didn't work like that. You know what? The man that I was supposed to marry, I had to buy a car with immediate defects. Why? I found something. So that the girl is cheating on me, but I didn't have the evidence, because she was playing so wise. She was playing so, you know what I mean, innocent. And so that girl, when she was working kubasa kwabo, I know that I'm house school, because they can, if you are there doing my weddings, you can sleep kumba kuma bride kwa kana kwenye roller squad and stuff, which are makeup, and then momukira mangwana mchita. So those are ngonditao. I'm going to my house school. Akawanda doing my house school, and I sent her to my house school. She was going somewhere, but I couldn't prove to her kuti wangu you're cheating and musikana wako akuzo ndokwenda kubasa and then no, don't go there because you're not going kubasa. I know you're doing my deals akuka without any evidence. Unoting you're a problem relationship or maybe you're overthinking or but in man, I know when something is wrong, there's something wrong, but cheat wow. But I kept on playing dumb, doing as if I'm dumb. I don't know anything because I wanted something evidence, solid evidence to put on the ground. But I knew deep down that this girl is cheating on me, bro. Not cheating on me with young boys. If she was cheating on me with my age mates, it was gonna be better. If she was cheating with me with my age mates, it was gonna be better, bro. A family man, bro. Just because a family man earning more than I earn, bro. Just because he's rich. A father of 3, 4 to be specific, because the wife gave birth after. I mean, like during along the process. A father of 4, Karen cheating on me. But I didn't have the evidence. Now that I got the evidence, I'm gonna show you the evidence. I'm gonna play the voice notes, guys. I have a lot of evidence. I've been working undercover to get as much evidence as I can. I've been doing investigations and I've been ignoring them in some of the red flags because I loved this girl, guys. I love this girl a lot, guys. To be honest, other people that were saying praise uri rafu nemskano praise yawati, you're not lovely, this and that. Guys, to be honest with you, Karen changed me. I was not like that. I kept on sometimes unongoshida munhu, but she keeps on pissing you. You know when girls but there's some other things what girls they do it intentionally because you love you and stuff. But I know everything that she's doing, but they get it cause stupid. Sometimes I'll end up doing as if now I'm toxic. But Karen, I always tell her about friends. Friends, they can give you bad influence. I should believe it. Anyways, I'm not going to mention names. Let me leave that part. But our relationship was being controlled by her friends. Everything that we're doing, I with the friends. Everything, literally everything, I with the someone. But she don't know that I know everything. So, guys, she was cheating on me. And during the process of Boss Karen, she told me that when dating you discuss what happened in your last relationship. She said the guy wanted to smash and then he passed. You know what I mean? Like smash and go, and then apana nakatongo ndimskana akakwana ndrimandare and then akangorana nevanisiya. I was like, you know what, you deserve love, let's date, you know what I mean? But that was not the fact, because this girl, she was not dating the guy only. I had to do the research and it's very, very, very deep, dark secret in her past. And guys, to be honest with you, I think after finding out this was that was the point that I was supposed to left. But I was like, no what? By the moment that I found out that I was supposed to leave, but I couldn't leave. Why? Because I love this girl. Even now, guys, I can't even tell you the secret. If I tell you what I found out about her past, it's gonna ruin her status. It's gonna ruin her on the social media platform. She won't recover from it. Even marriage or what, she won't recover for it. So, I'm someone who loves this girl and don't want to, not good. I still want to date her. No, I love this girl, guys, and I can't ruin her with that evidence on what she did. So, I couldn't hold it. I confronted her. I have everything. I have the voice note, I have the chat about that. But that's the biggest fear. Karen, she never loved me, but she was now staying with me after I find out that dark evidence. She was now staying with me or keep on dating me because she was afraid that I will come and say it on social media.
Yake iri pakuda kusvika pakuda kundithreaten kuti tinetsane tiblockane tiite sei handi obva azochienda pasocial media ochinotaura zvimareasons zvake zvese ameno whatever he wants to say anoda unotaura chi zvekuti handidani nemunhu handidani nemunhu anoita sei ndo zvaaroda kuwana.
So she was trying by all means to be as soft as he can to people so that by tomorrow when you break up the blame will be on me. I know everything. I've been reading charts, I've been doing some stuff, saying people they love me, praise I can see her, and you know, people they will unsubscribe. She's sending her friends to type shit on my comment section. There's some inside information that knows here between EA and her friends. You know, when I come comment section, when you say no, don't delete block and just delete and block and so guys, we don't get even to tendra guys. But what I wanna say is Karen, if she's saying I'm lying to her, she's free to come on social media. And now I will have to bring everything now. But I don't wanna do that. I wanna say, guys, I sold my car to marry Karen. Ndakatenga samoti yangu to marry Karen. I've been buying kettles. Mombe chazezikore zvekuti ndirakwenda kunozosiparira mari. Ndadata rora different. Rekutoya nemombe ndozisapaya kuti mombe dzeuma is. I'm gonna put the evidence. This is the evidence. Nditotenga dzimwe mombe namdara wangu and asking mombe dzukure stuff. Pamba tone about for effect. Listen to this video. Ndarama ti mombe mane 7. Sa mombe zangu zikurora dzakwana. Dza 5. Ndopa mukuinclude muro. Wana bobereka mdara. 2 waya tobudana. 2 waya tobudana mdara. Andi muda mari mdara. Samunotengesa iyo munotengesa mari yabo bereka. 500 nemuri yayo.
Ayo.
500 mombe 1. Ayo moti paka nemuri yacho mdara. Ndokupa 4 waya. Zini nemuri yacho. Andi chiri digere asati ya mombe.
Kwa tena ube vwa mwana tuzo ngombe kanaka fuzo ngombe kutona
Nezam. Imba pani zamana zapani nezam entorero. Pani nezam vuri reso ntorero.
Ndiwo kumujoma ndiwana ngombe amene manje. Paruvo skura. Ngombe kakura.
Ndotenga pa kuita emergency papa ndobva ndatenga vanhu varada mari pa.
Bani ngakuenda kuchikoro.
Vana wari desperate. Ndotenga ne mari lowest. Ndotora ne mari lowest.
Ngombe skura pa.
Yeah. But I have 5 was bid tafamba. 5 tafamba. So yeah, doing a number the mobile that I do it's saving. Because I'm a guy who is doing some things underground to mirror nicely. Try to reward guys mchiti tukoti mukuchaya mapoto you're doing this and that. Try to reward zao. I had to do a very nice lobola. Saving. And kutenga wanaita moti yangu, I knew when the time is right to marry, I would just sell it and then dororora. I was so ready to marry Karen, like it was going to happen this year. Soon, I think it was going to happen this August. But I kept on seeing my red flags, I kept on seeing Shakawanda, a lot kept on happening, and I knew this girl, she no longer loves me and she never loved me. No matter how much she can pretend. So, it got to a point where the relationship started getting toxic. So sometimes I run 2-3 days not at just trimba one. One of tatango kwira ndege ndini. Anokwira ndege ka one twice. It's me. Asia, South Africa ndini. Cape Town ndini. That I thought I had exposure to a lot of things. But this day, I don't think it's worth it to keep on explaining. But I want to say is that's what happened after saving. But at least I had to find out this before, you know what I mean, losing anything, you know what I mean. So I tried to talk to her, and then at the end of the conversation, we were not in good moods anymore. I had to block her on all socials to avoid drama, and nditapedza takuchinjana mashoko because hasha dzandinadzo I was gonna. Because don't threaten her because unoziya secret yangu this and that. Hey, apana munhu asombodaro this and that blah 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 blah. And she thinks I was threatening when do I share a secret yangu. So what I'm gonna do, secret yokari naskuitaura. I'm not gonna say it. Lauti mwari vakupe mutongo wako kwauri koko. You know what you did, Karen. I'm not gonna say it. But what I'm gonna do is coming here nenyaya dzisina evidence ka. It's gonna make me look like a bad person. I know even guys, even after giving you evidence, guys, it's gonna make me look like a bad person as well. But I have to, because guys, at the end of the day, I have a future. I'm a content creator. I still need to post my girlfriend here. I need to post my life. A couple's content is one of my content. I know to pay sanayo. You know what I mean? If I post mskana, then I move on. She won't have peace here. Guys, I don't know why I've been meeting wrong girls. I don't know if they're after fame. I'm not famous yet, but I don't know if they just wanna be posted or something. Guys, let me say this, guys. Don't date a content creator when you know that you are not straight. Please, guys. Especially I have a lot of people that loves me. Vanoona masvikiro, nganga, maprofita. I have a spiritual background yakasimba. The biggest in yayoga yakaprofitwa, guys. Ndakaudzwa so kubatwa nemunhu kuprofitwa, guys. A friend DM'd me, I got the praise, I loved you so much, but there's no way that you are going with this girl. I ignored. Ndakatanga nambodzwa kekutanga nemunhu wekuto wehama. Ndakadhiemwa ke2 nemunhu anoona praise yo girl akaita zvakadai nezvakadai last relationship kana ari kuti ari kunyepa uya naye mangwana ndimuratidze pachena kudai paglass deso. Oh, I swear on my mama namwari wangu deso ndakamufonera Karen. I could ndikamuti Karen wakadai so why didn't you tell me all this before takadanana? Ndakasarudza kuti do I want it? Akaramba akazonzo I'm sorry, akabvuma mhosva yake because anga asina marambiro, and munhu akatoti uya ndikuratidza evidence akazobvuma sorry I didn't want to tell you ndaizokudza after some long time nene, but it's a issue yekuti munhu wakaiudzwa usina kuzvipira you can't marry someone. Unosvipira kuti uda kuroora munhu iye kana kuti usikuda. It's a big issue, guys. When I mean it's a big issue, I'm not gonna say it, but it's fine. So this lord is making noise. So guys, what I'm saying is, Karen, you broke my heart. I really wanted to build a future with you, and it didn't go as planned. You hate my feelings, to be honest. I'm gonna be so honest with you. Maybe it's because you cheated on me because I don't have money, or I wasn't giving you enough money, or maybe you guys but I know very well I don't want to put the videos here because maybe I don't want any lawsuit against me with maybe post but I don't want to put your video, but I'm gonna put it on the next video. I'm gonna put it video talking to the other guy. One of our friends, I'm not gonna mention names. Uchitaura neface uchizonzo you never dated this guy, but this guy you dated him makazhikanana bendo waizvirambo uchiti ndicheche brother, and I told you to block that guy, but I know you were talking to him as well. Karen ane moyo ane unyoro wekuti zvandiri kutaura izvi you won't believe it, guys. You will never believe what I'm saying. You keep on saying praise, you're the wrong one because you guys don't trust me. But I have to give it that. I'm gonna post 1 or 2 audios only. Are nothing that deep. Do I want to post so that you guys you stop asking me where's my coat? It's stressing me out, guys. It's eating me. I was not lying when I was saying I'm not sleeping. I was not sleeping, guys. I've been going through shit. I've been going through a lot. A lot happened, guys. We had to separate, guys. But I wanted to separate in the next way because I didn't want to use social media to explain. I don't go to my friends. But Karen nintakazoonetsana zvekutodaro so itazongosvamba kublokana, you know what I mean. Akati itazowafunga, so ndaita zvandafunga. I was busy getting evidence ndichirongedza hangu kuita sei. If you think I'm accusing her, I have a lot of evidence. Ndakachengeta dzandakakeep. I have a lot of chats. I think I'm gonna put them here on the screen. Dzakatori kumalogs dzakati I have a lot, guys. I don't want to lie, ndinazvo and ndikuzvidelete ndo evidence pese kubva kudhara. Evidence ndaitora ndichiloka kubva kudhara, ndaitora evidence ndichiloka because I knew this day might come. But I tried to protect you, girl. I loved you so much. I tried to protect you. I tried to protect your behavior, but you're just a scam, bro. And you hate my feelings, to be honest, guys. To be honest, now I know the next girl I'm gonna get on it. I'm not gonna give up on life. I wanted to give up on love, say fuck love, but I know the next girl I'm gonna get on this channel. Please, you better be clean because vanoona this channel vanokasiyana siyana. Kuna nemweya, kuna vanosvikira, kuna vananda sei, kuna vanokwanisa kubatsira itona pachannel kuti munhu ari kurasika. Tinoona notani moyo, guys. I don't wanna lie, but I'm gonna play the voice note there. Muzvinzwire mega, muzvibelieve. I'm not saying in the Munumaka Karen in the mom attack my social zake. I'm not saying attack me. I know you guys, some of your friends, some of the people, some of the other people, you're gonna protect him. Attack I'm comment section, say, but it's fine. It's fine, man. No problem. I tried blocking people. I was now tired of blocking people because my people, they think I'm losing my people because they think that I'm a bad guy. Because of a girl who pretends to be quiet and behind the scene, and behind the scene, and got something else. Guys, I have a lot of evidence and you say Praise is a strong guy. I didn't want to move it, I didn't want to move on, I didn't want to break up with Karen because I was so scared of you guys. I was so scared to address this. Even you saw in the last video, and I don't get a drama, but it was not drama, it was so real. That shit was so real, guys. I was supposed to marry Karen this month. That's why I sold my car, but I guess Mwaragan Ponesa and everything was going to Karen, I don't know. I wish you all the best. Maybe I was not the guy. Wider, maybe you can pretend, but you can't pretend for long. So I'm gonna be very honest. I was so straight, and I never had a long relationship like Anagata. I was so serious with you. The people that knows me from this channel, they know I was so serious with you. I wanted to build future with you. Wanted kids. Wanted to pay Lobola in full. I even bought the kettles. I even budgeted some money, sold my car, working towards on marrying you. This month, when I vlog, I don't know. You might wanna, guys. You were seeing, guys. You were not seeing things. My children should repare you. But I guess I don't deserve you. I wish you all the best in your life. I don't want you to regret this. I don't want to regret this. But I don't want to say to you, you're going to regret this. Because at the end of the day, we're not going to have marriage. But maybe we're not just for me. But I just wanted to clear my side and say, guys, I don't want violence. If she wants violence, if she wants Machazi, I ended up being toxic to her because I knew information that I was not supposed to know about her. And Sayara Bashiti was about Akantis from Muz, Rotimunu, Nesano, Garachita, Nesakaita. I couldn't, guys. Like, maybe when she prays, you're so toxic. Maybe I don't know that's how being toxic, but I was trying not to be toxic. I was trying to protect. I was trying to pretend like everything is okay, but everything was not okay, guys. I want you to listen to these audios. I don't want to say much. I just want you to listen to these audios. After doing my research, gathering evidence, some of the audios and then that I can play here and there is
mfana unotanga wafunga baba vanhu vese vavo wakuti shita ndikabhaisa inini mishi ndikakudza pangatanga Praise ndine vamwe baba so vandakaona ndichitoenda kubhasitopu ndichina kubasa mumareni medu vaigara padhuze kumba kwedu ndobva ndikwidza mota yavo chakandibowa ndechekuti like vaishanda padhuze kuti havasvike mutaundi saka vakangonisvika pabhasitopu vati vanipa business card ravo vanangoti alright ndakubasa nganati ndivatangi vanangoti ndivatangi vanangoti hai because he was very handsome apa muna nevana 3 gaya ndobva ndavatanga takutotaura pepe atoni tunogara kupi nati anogara muSouth Africa ndine dera ndakambokuona uchibuda pamba penyu but ongone munhu saka ndakangoti ndichazomuona then vandazokuona murodhi ndikati rege ndimutakure mwana takutotaura pepe papa vainipa mari mishi ndati pabirthday raPraise musi wa22 December mari yandikashandisa vangu vandipaiwo baba vavo kumuendesa kurestaurant kwandikaita kumutengera magifts namutengera bhutsu kane garment nechine masocks bhutsu dzaidhura infact anotenga dzake ndikatenga dzake nedzangu kaya dzaita $30 each, $60 garment, $15 plus masocks $5 yamari iyoyo so $60, $75, $80 kubirthday tatano inonzi lunch ndindakaibhadhara lunch iyoyo paChristmas vangu vakuenda kuChristmas kuBulawayo like mukadzi wavo vese ndevekubulawayo nemukadzi wacho mukadzi wavo anga afanotungamira evakuenda kuChristmas kuBulawayo ndobva vandipa $100 pabanhranzi ndeyekudya paChristmas nekutsvaga Christmas gift yakuda kuzoiona ini nekungwara baba ubasa kwedu kwaitengeswa mahandbag ndokwaratidza picture ndikati zvonzvo this was my Christmas gift vadzoka ndopana ndakuronga zvoda kusiya ubasa kwedu ndobva vanditi ndatakuudza nyaya dzangu ndoda kusiya basa habhosi vangu havaitete chimudzita apa chichichichichi ndobva vanditi bho ndokubatsira kana uda kutanga kuvhura kwako ndokubatsira Watangondibvunza kuti tatabvunzana kazvo wakazvarwa rini birthday rako riko ndikati muna March zvikanzi da kuendesa kuvhakesheni baba ndikati shit ndikutoda ndobva ndichida kuenda kupinda ndakutotaura naZanzibar chichikanzi this time ana mukadzi wakabva azvara mwana zvikanzi izvezvi handina mari yakanyanya ndokwanisa kumbotanga ndambokuendesa here paSouth Africa paCape Town apa praise dzaida kuenda kuCape Town nogareko ndikati chance given baba vachikunipa mari yekunoita vacation handichadzoki vakatonge vanyumwa mishi muna February ndakutogadzira kuti ndauda kuudza bosi vangu bosi vangu ndaisa kudza kuti ndakuenda ndaingaudza kuti ndaino vacation ndichitonge ndikudzoka kozi ndaiziva kuti ndakaudza ndauda kuenda vaisanipa mari yangu ndobva inonzi chi ndobva ndakuda kuenda end of February baba ndakugadzira munhu akangoenda silent mishi tichimufonera asingadayiri ndichitaseva asingadai nanhasi ndazongova-bloka vangozi ndifila kuti vachanditsvaga bhegi but kozi ndandakutoita zvelife yangu nemunhu wangu but mari yavo fanike December naJanuary ndakaidambura mari yavo zvokuti about ende pese paindiona like usually vaivandonditora ubasa praise never ndamupira kuti shamwari ndaenda kwaosco ndakanodzima foni kana kuti foni yangu haina moto ubasa hakuna magetsi ndakanodzima foni vaindipa kana $20 kana $30 almost every day ndaigona kuvaudza kuti vondoona Monday, Tuesday neWednesday and on Thursday vondoona Friday and ndaivaona Saturday neSunday ndozondiita zvapraise munhu ane mari anonakidza life yangu yaiendeka mishi ndati life yangu yaiendeka amanoti praise aifunga kuti imari yekukarisma here ndikamushandisira but zvakaoma pane pavakambondinyepera havaivainyepa vachoita vachikora chiti pavakamboita nguva futi vasinotarinzwa kuti foni inge yabatwa shamwari and but ndaisavatexta manheru iwongori mutemo kuti manheru handitexti zotexta mangwana vakusenga kuzoti vari kubasa saka amen but vakazongodzoka futi saka maybe nekuti ini ndandakuendawo uko ndakakasika kuita sei ndakakasika kuita give up ndichatongovatsvaga ndovati I still staying in South Africa.
Imagine being cheated nemunhu ane vana 3, 4 in fact. Imagine how the wife is feeling. Munhu a home wrecker, you can't even feel for another woman. In the nyepero I only have one body count akangorwadzwa nemfeso and she was sleeping around kurane madhara sugar daddy. I don't even know if I'm not even sick right now. But it's fine, it's okay, I wish you the best. Cheating on me was the wrong move, Karen, that you have ever done in your life, but it's okay. I'm not gonna bring you down. Kuchitwa kunowanika and adotanga kuchitwa naske. I've been cheated a lot and I've ndasangana zvakawanda, but you know the information that I got for you. If I say it here, even mama wako will be so disappointed in you, even gogo wako, even your relatives, hama dzakakumaka dzinona videos ana, they will be so disappointed in you. Chadasataure this was secret because I respect you, I respect your privacy, and I don't wanna be the reason why utadze kurorwa or the reason why hama dzese dzichikujaja or dzichase. That's the sign to show that I loved you. That's the sign to show that I wasn't threatening you. I'm gonna post the information I want to see. I'm not gonna say it, but I'm just gonna say normal and guys, please stop asking me about Karen again. Stop roasting me. Stop roasting me in the comment section. I know anyways, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Keep on subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. At least now you can believe me. If you want to come with the side of the story, it's fine. But I don't have to listen to this. What side of the story do you want? It's fine. Anyways, guys, if you've watched to the end, write down W heartbreak in the comment section. I'm so heartbroken. I don't know if love is real, bro. I don't know if I can get someone who is so real, someone who can love Mrs. Wandiri. And similar no sure you can funky, guys. I've never mentioned my age here, but I'm so young. So some of the people that watches my videos, they are still number one up to now. What I have, they don't have it. Even my own brother, who's older than me, he knows how young I am. But even Pasiraraki, I went to the street when I was still young, very young. What I'm trying to say to you guys is I'm very younger than what you think, and I never mentioned my age here on social media. I think I'm gonna mention it when I reach 100,000. That's when you're gonna see with how strong, with the strong, like I say. And a lot of you guys want to do 2K, but it's fine. Maybe you want me to leave social media, maybe I don't know. But and someone not sure they can still guys. Pama ghetto is one of the ghettos no very young, but it's fine, man. It's fine. Now you're gonna make us think every girl knows Ari. Because I've been having a very bad experience, guys, with these girls. But I know it's kind of one. And guys, Musa, I know that was your favorite Makoti. Musa Mutuke. Uchingoita zvamada, alright. Musa Mutuke, don't abuse it, don't harass it. Live your life yake. We will still get another one. That's not the first Makoto this channel. I didn't want to explain this, but I had to because it was gonna come back for me. Don't think I'm the bad person at the end of the day, but I'm not the bad person. She's not the bad person. She did what she wanted to do. Anyways, I love you so much. W at Brigade comment section and tell us what you think. Let's go.